Good Monday morning and happy Memorial Day. It is May 29th, 2017. After a long and stormy weekend, we have finally made it to this long and extended Memorial Day weekend, and we had to pay the price in order to receive a beautiful Memorial Day forecast, and that is what we are getting today. I would rather have it have stormed on Saturday than on today. Temperatures today are going to be rising into the mid to upper 80s. A few of us will stay in the low 80s more than likely in portions of southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, but in my forecast area, I'm looking at mid to upper 80s, a good bet. Right now, temperatures as of 9:15 in the morning are in the low 70s, and they're going to quickly increase. As you can tell, I do have the satellite imagery turned on. Where you see this white, that would be cloud cover. We do have a band of clouds that is moving off to the east, moving through Hopkinsville, southeast Callaway County as of this recording. Those will continue to move off to the south and east, where we do have thicker clouds that is associated with our cold front, as it is still situated over central and eastern parts of Tennessee and Alabama, as well as Mississippi, and that front will continue to move off to the southeast as well. That is what brought us a few showers and thunderstorms on Sunday evening yesterday to the Paducah area and other areas of the Jackson Purchase region. Those storms did fall apart pretty quick, and then we also had very severe weather coming through on Saturday, and that is also what sparked those showers and thunderstorms, was that cold front. So thankfully it has moved off to the south and east. Good timing for it. Bad timing was that it did come on Memorial Day weekend, while many of us had relatives in town and plans over the weekend excluded on Memorial Day. Now, as we look at this week's weather, the first half of the week is more than likely going to shape up pretty nice, but it's the second half of the week that I'm going to monitor for shower and thunderstorm activity. If we move through Monday and Tuesday, it looks like it's going to mainly shape up pretty dry. We might have a couple of showers come through. We will have a couple of weak disturbances move through on Tuesday and Wednesday, so just be aware that there could be a 20 to 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. It wouldn't last long, could move pretty slow, but they would be very small storms. So we're not looking at anything as excessive rainfall amounts, nothing to really damper your plans, but have a plan B just in case, a very quick plan just in case you have to go indoors for a few minutes or so if you have any plans on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm hoping shapes up fine, but we might have a couple showers early on in the day. Still, Wednesday is a toss up as of this point. Now, as we look at Thursday and Friday, that is when we begin to see those showers and thunderstorm chances increasing. More than likely, we're going to be seeing a few disturbances moving out from the north, and that is when we really start to talk about higher rain chances by Saturday and Sunday of next week. So many of you that are off work or maybe going to work this week, it looks like if you're wanting to maybe lay out next weekend, not going to be looking like a good forecast for you, because even going into next early on Monday, it looks like we're going to be looking at those showers and thunderstorms still around with us, and then they finally move off to the south and east as of the beginning of next week, by this time next week. So it's a complicated forecast this week. I'm not going to go into great detail. I'm trying to keep this video short and simple, but just keep in mind that we do have several chances for showers and thunderstorms, but the greatest chances are going to hold off until the second half of the week. So just keep that in mind. That is really the take that you need to keep from this video. Now, as we look at the temperatures over the next week, we're looking at temperatures pretty warm and toasty today in the mid to upper 80s, and then that really sticks around with us for Tuesday and Wednesday. Maybe some slightly cooler temperatures on Wednesday, depending on cloud cover and where we do have some showers and thunderstorms. If you see a shower come through, a quick rumble of thunder, a storm or two, the temperatures will quickly drop off as usual, but then warm back up, and then increasingly humid conditions as well. As we look at Thursday, temperatures right now are showing mid to upper 80s. I'm a little bit cautious of this because of the clouds and precipitation that will be moving into the region around the Thursday time frame. And then on Friday, I still think we're going a little bit too warm on this particular model, and as well on Saturday especially, because I do think we're going to see some widespread shower and thunderstorm activity on Saturday and Sunday. I do think that these temperatures are a little bit too warm for those 2 days next weekend. If we look at the rain over the next week, this would really be covering from now until next Monday morning. So really, the brunt of the precipitation coming for the next week, the multiple disturbances overall showing in 1 to 2 inches. But as you know these shower and thunderstorms during the summer months can easily put down a quick inch of rain while your neighbor picks up nothing. So keep that in mind. The thunderstorms are going to vary who sees the most precipitation. But besides that, I hope you have a great Memorial Day and a great week.